Greetings and salutations, you guys. Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How is everyone doing today? Because you're all doing fantastic. I am here with this is a haul slash preview of all the stuff that I thrifted today for that we're gonna have for sale this week. So I'm really excited. Got some pretty good stuff. And again, if you're interested in any of these items, send me an email at itsHadrian@gmail.com. It's also linked down below in the description box, and I can let you know about availability and pricing. But they will also be in the upcoming live sale, among other goodies that I have for you guys as well. But before we start off today's haul, let me do a quick unboxing of some Popmart goodies. I'm really excited. I have been waiting for these for a while. I got these off of TikTok live during it was a live I think over a week ago that Popmart did, and some of their stuff takes a while to get here, but I have been patient and I'm super excited to finally have these guys in my little hands. So let's do these two first. I am pretty, they have a couple different colors for these that I think I would be happy with any color actually, but these are the Pucky Beanie Bubble Up. They're so cute. These are the different colorways that you could get. And let's just open them. I would really love blue, green, yellow, orange. Actually, I would love all of them. Honestly, I'm not picky with these. I think they're all cute. So let's jump into it. Oh. These are a little hard to open. These are very secure. Oh, the little thing popped up. This is Sweet Bubble. Is this pink or purple? Why do they have it at the top? Usually they have those at the bottom, but that kind of, I won't do that for the next one, so it's more of a surprise. But it was just at the top already, so I saw it. I couldn't unsee it. But I haven't seen these in person yet, so here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's the purple one. Look how cute that is. And then you squeeze it, and he blows a bubble. How stinking cute is that? Oh no, I love it. And it's this little bag charm. He's so cute. I don't know what kind of animal he is. I think he's just supposed to be like a little baby, and he's blowing a bubble. So it is really cute. I love it. Also, there's 5 people staring at me right now while I'm doing this in the parking lot, but that's okay. Okay, so we got this guy. I don't even know where to put him. I don't even know. Okay, let's just put him over here in front of me. Now let's open the next one. I'm going to try not to look at the little tag thing, because usually they have those at the bottom, right? But if it's at the top again, I'm going to try to hide it. Okay, it is at the top. I'm not looking. I'm going to set it down in my lap, and then we're just going to try to do this without looking. Okay, no. It fell to the side. Okay. Let's see what we got. I hope it's the green or blue one. I feel like that would be really cute. It's the yellow one! Ah! This is actually the one I really wanted. The yellow is my favorite color. I forgot. It makes a little sound. And then you can make their little boop, boop. This yellow one makes a way bigger bubble than the other one. That's so cute. I am very happy. Okay. That's so adorable. Look at the little faces, too. They're so cute. Okay, that was very fun. So we got those little guys. Now we have some new bag charms. Now this one I'm super excited about. This is my first one of these. So let's see what I got. These are so cute. I would really want Chip and Dale or Mickey or Pluto or Goofy, or I think Donald. I think Donald is my absolute favorite. I think the secret is Huey, Dewey, and Louie. So that's what the secret one is. It's the 3 little ducks. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is so exciting. Alright, who does it feel like? Oh! I think it's a duck. Oh, please be Donald. Please be Donald. Please be Donald. Oh, no, it's not. It's Goofy. It's so cute. Oh, no. It's adorable. Okay, Goofy is so... Look at his little face. I'm obsessed. Okay. This was very fun. And it comes with a little card as well. Okay, that was awesome. I'm very excited about my new charms. Goofy is adorable. Okay, he's gonna watch while I do the haul for what I got. The car is a hot mess, but that's okay. Alright, let's just jump into it. First item we have here, this is a Brahmin satchel. And this is super duper cute. I love the colorway. It kind of reminds me of those popsicles that, like, I think they're like the rocket popsicles, right? They're red, blue, and white. They're kind of that, like, I feel like that's kind of what it looks like. It has a crossbody strap, top handle. There's a great pocket in the back, turn lock, opens up. You got 2 interior compartments, a zipper, and then there's a slip pocket. Really, really cute, in great condition. And I love the Brahmin bags that have like the prints on them. I know that they're known for the crocodile embossed leather, but this is the snake embossed one. And then it has just a beautiful colorway. So I love it. It's super cute. So I was recording on my phone as well. Trying to get into the TikToks. But I just wanted to record the thing with the pop figurines. Okay, so we got that. That's our first cutie. Next up, I got this little guy. This is a small Kiss Lock Coach. Now, I wasn't able to get one of those Kiss Lock Coach crossbody bags, but we got, this is probably from the early 2000s, so it's not quite vintage, but almost. Kiss Lock wristlet. It has the hang tag. It's in this beautiful brown leather, silver hardware. Super cute. So we got that. Sorry, someone's like walking by. That was really fun. I like that. Then next up, this is a Baggu shoulder bag in lavender. Really, really cute bag. It has 2 pockets on the front and then it zips across the top. And the shoulder strap is adjustable. This isn't the one that you can turn into a crossbody though. It's pretty much just a shoulder bag, but it's still really fun regardless. And I like it. So cute. But yeah, the new ones have like a longer strap that you can turn into a crossbody, which is nice. Here's another little shoulder bag. This one is a Coraline one. Are there any Coraline fans out there? That was such a good movie. And this is such a cute bag. It's brand new. It still has all the tags attached and it glows in the dark. So I thought that was really cool. It just has a zipper up top, and then the inside is really fun. It's in this like blue printed fabric, and it just has like the cat and some stars and the key and stuff. So that's a really, really fun little bag. Then next, ooh, all of my bags are falling over. Oh, this one is a Clare Vivier bag. Now I know this one actually retails for almost $400. This is like a cream and black stripe crossbody bag. It kind of looks like a lunch pail. It has a little top handle. There's a crossbody strap. I don't believe this is the original crossbody strap, but there is one. Gold hardware. It has a front pocket right here with a little magnet built into it. There are a couple kind of like marks on there. I think there's like a mark right there. And then there's like a little mark right there. So it does have some wear to it, but I feel like it's such a beautiful bag regardless. And the marks are not very apparent. So it still has so much life left, and I love Clare Vivier bags so much. They're actually made locally here in Los Angeles. So I love that. And I just love Clare Vivier bags. I actually have I have a good collection of her pieces, and she uses just really nice leathers, and her bags are just really, really great. So you got that. Up next, this is just a cute little black Amy Kestenberg crossbody bag. It's kind of like a phone bag. And then crossbody, wallet on chain. So it has like built-in card slots inside. There's a zipper pocket in there as well. Zipper pocket on the front, open pocket in the back. This does fit the largest iPhone inside as well. And the crossbody strap is adjustable. It's just not removable. But this is just a great little crossbody bag. Great for every day. Great for going to the park, traveling, and just throwing inside a larger bag if you had one that you wanted to, like, if you still wanted like a small bag for later on. But next up, this one is a Stella McCartney bag. This is so stinking cute. This is the mini Falabella, and it's in the faux deerskin leather. You know, she doesn't use any leather products in any of her items, so this is all vegan. I love the silver chain with it. It has a little medallion right there as well, and you can wear this one. Crossbody is a little high, so definitely a shoulder bag, but top handle, shoulder, but you can definitely wear a crossbody still, just it's a little bit higher. It has a little magnetic snap at the top, and the inside just has one interior pocket, and they kind of have like an orangey fabric lining inside of there, but it's in pretty good condition. The faux leather is in great shape. The hardware has some marks, but it still looks really pretty. And I love the Falabella. This was one of the it bags from Stella McCartney from back in the day, and I just know that a lot of these bags are gaining popularity again. There's the Chloe Paddington, there's the I feel like the Givenchy Pandora is making a comeback. The Celine luggage, I feel like, is making a comeback. So a lot of bags are just becoming really, really popular again. And I know that this one is definitely going to make a comeback with Stella McCartney. It's such a fun style. Then next up, this is the last one that we have for today. And it is this gorgeous Tory Burch tote. I love the design. This is a coated canvas. I love the flowers on there. I think it's really, really cute. They have like these floral appliques that are really, really fun. This has a leather bottom, top handles, or shoulder straps. It does have a luggage tag, and the inside is just canvas. It says Tory Burch in yellow. There's one interior pocket there, and it does have a magnetic snap at the top. And it's just a really cute bag. I think it's super duper fun. Great for spring and summer. This is a great beach bag, travel bag, work bag, school bag, whatever. And the straps are nice and long, fits nicely on your shoulder. So you can definitely, oh, how cute would it be with one of these little guys on it. Great bag to put charms on. So I almost forgot one last thing. This beautiful Chloe, I believe this is called the Ethel. This bag is so cute. This is Chloe collection too. So this is from the higher end line, not Steve by Chloe. And this is made in Italy. I believe this bag retailed for over $1,000. It's in this beautiful metallic, like goldy color. And I love the chain strap on here. I think it's really, really pretty. You can wear this one as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. My favorite part though is this turn lock. And I know a lot of different brands kind of copied this turn lock because it was just so gorgeous. And I feel like it was like a signature hardware piece for this bag. And it's just, like, whenever I see it, I always think of the Chloe Ethel. The inside is lined in leather. It is beautiful. There's just one interior pocket. And the inside is nice and clean. The bag is actually in pretty good condition. The leather is nice and squishy. And yeah, the hardware's in pretty good shape. There are some marks on it, but it still looks beautiful. And yeah, you can wear it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. But that is it for today. I hope you guys had fun checking out my unboxing, seeing what I got from the stores today. Don't forget to check out the live sale. If you can't make it to the live, you can always watch the replays. And again, if you like any of these items, send me an email, itsHadrian@gmail.com, and I can let you know about availability and pricing. And tune in tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. for a new video. I do post new videos every day, Monday through Friday. There's always a live sale every Saturday night at 10, and then I do live sales throughout the week, and I try to schedule those a week in advance. So you can check out the live tab here on my YouTube channel page to see the next upcoming live sale. But that is it for today. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye guys.